Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to give someone access to your Google Drive link. So it is pretty easy if you want to do so. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, what we can do is we can open up the Google Drive application, tap on it, or you can go to googledrive.com in your PC. Now on the Google Drive, you can basically find and select the file or the folder that you want to share. You can just go over and find it up and look out for the three dot right beside it. Or you can select the folder directly. And once you select it, you will be finding different options at the top of the menu. You can just go over and tap on the three dot and open up a menu on your screen. And from here, all you gotta do is basically select this option called share and tap on it. Once you tap on share here, it will give you option to give access to other people. You can do so by entering other people's email address. Or if you want to share the link, what you can do is basically look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And from there, tap on manage access. And look out for the option of link. You can select the option of link in the top right corner and tap on it. And from there, the link will be copied to clipboard. And I can use any of the messaging platform, etc. For example, Telegram, and just go over and send it to a message. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send it here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it, and you can just go over and hit send. And that way, the message will be sent. And that is how you give someone access to the Google Drive link. You can just go over and go ahead and add the email address and everything, and select the role and paste the link copied to any of the email or messages or any place you want to share. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you want to give someone access to your Google Drive link, this is how you do it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.